Hey guys, it's ShipTaxes Robotics, and David will be showing you this new interesting robot idea that my brother built. Go ahead and give us a demonstration of how it works. Alright, so what it does is this little piece here comes out and pushes these underneath the gate, and it's pretty interesting. So I'm going to have him explain how this works.
What I used for the movement was the pieces from the linear movement kit, and when connected with a gear, they would move with the gears as they turned. And for both gears to turn, we had to use a chain on connecting these two, going to this one, and they both move at the same time and move it forward and backwards.
So yeah, so if you once you set this on here, and then you turn, yes, go ahead and set it on there, and then you turn it, it moves forward, just like that. And then if you move it backward, it goes right backwards. And so that's how it works.
So our original idea was to put it upside down, put it flat on the gears like this, but it wouldn't work since there was too much friction between these and these. And then what we did was we flipped it over and just did it this way, and it was much easier that way because there was almost no friction at all.
One of his original concepts for it was it would be on the ground, and then the gears would turn it, but that didn't really work because he wasn't able to really mount it very good.
And the plastic on the ground would prevent the wheels from turning because there would be too much friction on the floor, and we did not want that. So we just flipped it upside down and did it that way. So if you've seen these pegs right here, they actually barricade it from going, this flying off, and from this going off all the way like this. And it's really helpful because we don't want this thing flying off in the middle of a match and not being able to put it back on without restarting it.
Originally they had a bar here that prevented two pucks from getting on top of each other, but why don't you go ahead and explain why that didn't work?
That didn't work because it would prevent this from going any farther than that, and it couldn't push the last two pucks all the way out, and that was a really big problem, and they barely broke the line.